Welcome back, dear students. In this video, we'll be learning about the remedies or relief available to the consumer. If a complaint is found to be genuine, consumer court may pass directions to the opposite party regarding the following. It may be in the form of removal of defect in goods or deficiency in services. अगर goods में या services में कोई defect है या deficiency है तो उसको तुरंत दूर करने का ऑर्डर दिया जाता है. Secondly, it may be in the form of replacement of defective goods with new ones. That is, change the product immediately. If the consumer has approached the consumer court, the product may have to be changed with immediate effect as ordered by the consumer court. Refund of price paid for the product or service. Whatever price has been charged by the consumer, that price will have to be refunded. It may be in the form of payment of compensation for loss or injury suffered. For example, in case of defective products, in case of electronic products, or in case of edible products, in case of medicines, if the consumer has suffered any type of loss, compensation for the payment, that is payment for compensation of such loss, will have to be paid as ordered by the consumer court. Relief may also be in the form of payment of punitive damages in certain cases. Now, many a times students ask, what do we mean by punitive? Punitive means punishable. So, payment of punishable damages, that is penalties imposed if any case is found to be genuine. Discontinuance of unfair or restrictive trade practices. This may be in the form of black marketing, it may be in the form of hoarding. If any such unfair, illegal trade practice is going on, that may have to be stopped immediately. Business ही बंद हो सकता है अगर बिजनेस पर्सन कोई अनएथिकल प्रैक्टिस कर रहा है, कोई इलीगल एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म कर रहा है, या फिर किसी भी फॉर्म में वो ब्लैक मार्केटिंग या होर्डिंग में इंडल्ज है, तो उसी समय बिजनेस को बंद करने का ऑर्डर भी दिया जा सकता है. Next may be in the form of paying adequate cost to the other party, that is second party. Whosoever has suffered, that party will have to be paid the amount of his suffering. Withdrawal of hazardous products from sale. मार्केट में अगर कोई इस तरीके के hazardous products अवेलेबल हैं, hazardous products basically इलेक्ट्रॉनिक फॉर्म्स में होते हैं या प्रेशर कुकर्स which are not safe for use if they are not standardized. So such products may have to be withdrawal with immediate effect from the market. Then is termination of manufacturing of hazardous products. ना सिर्फ इन प्रोडक्ट्स का विड्रॉल हो सकता है, मार्केट से इन प्रोडक्ट को आउट किया जा सकता है, बल्कि उनकी टर्मिनेशन, उनकी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग भी इमीडिएटली बंद करवाई जा सकती है. अदर रिलीफ्स आर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ crediting of certain amount which is not 5% of the value of defective goods or deficient service to the consumer welfare fund. Consumer welfare fund में कुछ amount, that is the amount of the product or service, जो कि 5% से कम नहीं होगा, उतना amount as per the orders of the consumer court will have to be transferred in the consumer welfare fund. Next is assurance of issuance of corrective advertisement in place of misleading advertisement. In case ऐसी कोई advertisement है जो exaggerated है, जो mislead कर रही है, that advertisement may have to be stopped immediately. So these are the reliefs available to the consumers as per Consumer Protection Act 1986. Further, whatever are the orders given by the consumer court, these orders have to be obeyed by the parties, that is by the consumer and by the supplier of the product who has exploited the consumer. I hope the remedies available are also clear to you. Thank you.